Every year since 2010, Austin has earned the title of fastest-growing major metro area in the United States. With Austin's wealth of cultural, environmental, and social opportunities, it's easy to see why. As more and more people start to call Austin home, Austinites are exploring creative ways of maximizing living accommodations on urban properties, as well as keeping up with the rising cost of living. In a north-central neighborhood, a homeowner asked Barley Pfeiffer Architecture to design a backyard accessory dwelling unit, ADU, that would complement the existing house in front while blending into this established community. While the ADU occupies a modest 1,000 square feet, the two-bedroom, two-bathroom cottage feels bright and spacious. Well-placed windows provide ample natural light and cross-ventilation throughout, and an efficient open floor plan maximizes the space. The addition of a second property on a single lot is the type of urban infill that helps provide more affordable housing for both the homeowner and their tenant. This home is located close to employers, educational opportunities, and other local amenities, including a range of public transit options, making a sustainable lifestyle in Texas's greenest city a real possibility. The home's design supports both energy efficiency and a comfortable lifestyle for its occupants. Outdoor living space for morning coffee or an alfresco supper is sheltered by the generous front porch that captures the prevailing breezes. In Austin's hot and humid climate, the home's design is the true driver of both energy efficiency and comfort. The first line of defense against the sun's heat is the floating, ventilated metal roof with overhangs. The wide overhangs shade the home from both heat and glare, helping to keep the interior cool without losing natural light. On the west side of the home, awnings above the windows provide effective shade. Mature trees protect the home from the late afternoon sun, while lending a connection to nature and a sense of well-being. In the main living space, a high ceiling, an open floor plan, and natural light from the shaded south-facing windows makes a cozy room feel light and airy. The high ceiling allows hot air to rise, and the ceiling fan helps maintain a comfortable temperature, reducing the need for thermostat adjustments. Windows are thoughtfully placed for cross-ventilation throughout the home. Spiral ductwork provides a stylish design feature as well as efficient air delivery. Cost-effective LED fixtures provide electric lighting while remaining cool, improving energy efficiency and reducing utility bills. Next to the convenient storage space, the home's heat pump is located inside the thermal envelope rather than in an attic. This helps to keep the equipment cooler, maximizing energy efficiency. The 4-inch filter is more effective at trapping particulates, improving health and well-being for the occupants. North-facing under cabinet and high-level clear-story windows in the kitchen provide indirect lighting for the main living area. A thoughtfully designed kitchen that includes under-counter seating makes the most of the available space, completing the open-concept layout. The hard flooring is both stylish and durable, as well as easy to clean, reducing the effects of dust and Austin's notorious seasonal allergens. Outside the home, a gravel driveway reduces runoff after a rain event, keeping water on the property. The choice of drought-tolerant native landscaping reduces the need for costly irrigation. The home is equipped with gutters with extensions that channel rainwater away from the foundation and into the landscape. Small accessory dwelling units like this one can provide a whole host of benefits, even on an average-sized urban lot. Tenants can enjoy an affordable, high-quality home in a convenient location, while reaping the health and well-being benefits of living in a green home. The thoughtful design of this cottage complements the existing home and its neighborhood. And by building green, the homeowners are inspiring others, gaining valuable extra income while taking action towards a more sustainable Austin.